This is a Prince P exclusive, motherfucker.
Hey, right, y'all. What's up, man? It's your boy Prince P, man. I'm back with another one real quick, man. My homie 308 Beats, man, sent me a video, man. He said check it out, man, and give a reaction to it, man. So I don't even know what it is, man, but I'm finna give y'all a reaction, okay? There you go.
Really, Lord?
Smoke a piece of weed. Gone wild. What's going on?
Bart, the police is on their way. Ma'am, run,
He got a big ass throat. Who is that? Is that Krusty the Clown? The fuck?
Hey!
It's a naked man.
Hurry up and get here. Come, ma'am, come here, get in the car.
Oh my God, he ran at the bitch.
Right? Ma'am, get over here. Get over here.
Naked?
Come get in the booth, please.
Where the fuck is that? Oh my God. They're at the train station, y'all.
Come get in here, please. Bart, police is on the way. Get in here, please. He's...
Now this bitch crying. What you crying? Ah, this man's naked as hell.
Just stay in here, please.
Did this nigga just do a handstand? This nigga pussy popping.
They need to come quicker.
On a motherfucking handstand. He doing a split. Oh, okay, now he's tackling another lady. No, that's a man. This nigga got a big ass front, butt ass naked.
Thank you.
At a train station. Alright,
oh my God.
So he kicking somebody.
No. Oh my.
This nigga butt ass naked, dick swinging, ass out.
They're sending SFPD.
What the fuck? This nigga is still pussy popping on the handstand. What's wrong with the world? Oh man, what's wrong? He got a big ass afro. Look, now he harassing some man. Oh my God.
Will shatter.
Oh my God. This sad, dog. Look, he just running, butt ass naked.
They're calling SFPD
for no reason. Look, he just running after people.
Yeah, I'm following.
Now he fell out. He fell out.
That didn't make no sense.
Now he rolling. Oh my God! Like this is. Is he dead? Oh, this nigga is crazy. Oh my God! I ain't even look at no more of that shit, man. Let me let y'all know, man. This man smoking PCP. He on crack or something, man. All people out here, man. Please, for the kids, man. Just say no. Just say no to the drug. Just say no. Just say no. This nigga is crazy. I got it in the description box, man. Y'all check this shit out, man. Y'all gonna holler. And that's all the fuck I gotta say about this shit.
This your boy, Young. I'm that guy. I'm that guy.
Yeah.
I'm that guy.